let's see how to create ad units, production ad units. So first you will have to go to Google AdMob. You will have to sign up. Once you have signed up, you can click on apps, add app. Okay, I will show. We are doing this for Android. I have not deployed my app to Play Store yet. I'll click on continue. I'll give some name, I don't know, 10 I guess. Add app, and here click on done. Then go to ad unit. We are showing this rewarded interstitial ad. Okay, so select, and here you can give some name, I don't know, 10 first. Give some name, and here you can enter the rewarded amount as well. So you want to reward the user once he has watched your ad. So here you can, I will just keep it as one. Click on create ad unit, and here you can see your production ad units has been created. Click on done. If you are, now you can replace this in your code as well, but for testing I would highly recommend use the test ad units id only. And if you want to link your app once you have deployed it to Play Store, you can just go to app settings, click on app store details, and click add, search for your app. That's it. Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display rewarded interstitial ad in a native Android application. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly, what I'll do is I'll just mirror my device to you so that you can see, like I'm trying to install the application, and so I want to show you few things. Like the ad, once the ad load, I am displaying a toast message, but you can handle it however you want. So here you can see a button which shows the ad, but clicking on this button now won't do anything because the ad hasn't been loaded. Once the ad has loaded, you will see a toast message, and once we see that, so here you can see the ad has loaded. Now I can click on show ad, and once I have shown the ad and the user has finished watching the ad, the reward would be also, I'm also again displaying the reward in a toast message, but you can handle it however you want to. So I will click on show ad. So here you can see you are able to see the ad, and once the user has finished watching the ad, here you can see I'm displaying 10, which is the reward amount the user has received after the user has finished watching the ad. So yeah, let's get started. So first, here as you can see, as usual, I have created a native Android application. Next, what I have done is that I have installed this. I have gone to the AdMob documentation. I have added this dependency in our build.gradle. So if you see over here inside build.gradle, I have added this dependency. Next, I have added this metadata tag as well, and I'm using this test ID, but in production replace it with your own production ID. So you can see over here I have added this test ID. Also I have added these two metadata tags as well, which will help us to do optimization. So if you go to over here, they have told us to add these two metadata tags, okay, which I have added. Next I will go back, and here they tell us to initialize our mobile ads SDK, which I am doing. So if you go over to main activity, I am initializing our mobile ad SDK. Also inside activity underscore main, I have just taken one button, and I am adding a find view by ID as well as doing a set on click listener to it. Next, go to implement rewarded ads, and here you can see that you can go to rewarded interstitial ads, and here again I'm just copy pasted the code. So I'm calling this load method. Again, this is a test ID, so I've just copy pasted this over here. So rewarded ads, okay, and once the ad has been loaded, you can assign it to our variable, and I'm displaying a toast message. Also I have implemented some callbacks. So if you go, I'm not sure about the server side verification, sorry about that, but and anyways this step is optional, so we can ignore it. And I have added all this callbacks which you see. I have added it over here, okay. And next, now to display the ad, first we have to override this on user earned reward listener, so that once, so here you can see I have extended and I have overridden this. So once the user finish watching our ads, we can credit that amount to the user's account. And here you can see I'm just displaying this, and to display this we just have to call this dot show method. So if you see over here, I'm just calling this show method. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.